So we are talking today about the welding position. So these are the position at which the base metal is being placed, and also the position at which the welder is staying or also positioned. So number one, we have the flat position. We also call it the normal position. This is the easiest of all the welding position, because you have your base metal placed like this on the flat surface, and then you as the welder is welding from up facing down. So for example, if you are welding circular, you weld circular facing down. Number two, we have the vertical position. This is the position whereby you have your plate position. This is our plate. You weld along the vertical axis, which is maybe you're welding from top to down or down to up on a vertical axis. And then we have number three, which is horizontal position. This is our plate. So this type of welding is whereby you weld along the horizontal axis, maybe going from left to right or right to left along the horizontal axis. We have the last one, which is called the overhead. The overhead type of welding position, this is the complex one. So this type of welding position is whereby the position of the plate is above the head of the welder, or at the top of the welder. So you weld facing upward on this position. This is your base metal, and then the welder is welding from below facing upward. The reason why we say this is a complex one is because when the metal melts, it falls down because of the gravity. So the reason why it's a bit risky and also very hard to weld. So this is the most complex one, which is called the overhead.